Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! So, as usual, naka-uniform ako. So, pupunta tayo sa trabaho. Ang tingnan nyo si John. Are you sitting comfortably there?
Yeah, with my friend.
With our baby?
New friend.
It's so cute, that one. I need to take a picture. Smile.
Why?
It just looks so cute. Come on, let's go now.
Oh, I'm drinking my coffee.
Come on. This is so cute, honey. This is made for her.
Poor bear.
Come on, I'm gonna be late.
Sit up.
I'm gonna be late.
Oh my gosh.
It's so dark outside, hon.
Yeah, it's raining as well.
It's raining. It is still raining.
Yeah. Oh, your coat.
Oh, yeah, my coat is there. We need a coat. Kasi umuulan. It's raining outside.
It's a coat, not a coat.
A coat. What did I say? A coat.
A coat, yeah, it's a coat.
A coat. Still A.
No, you said I need a coat.
It's still A. I know.
You
Okay,
actually really
hon.
should say I need to put my coat on.
Honey,
Oh,
I'm going.
yeah, bye.
Look at him. You're glad that I'm not at home, aren't you?
No, not actually.
I'm making so much noise.
No. If you weren't going to work, we could have stayed in bed and cuddled.
Really?
Yes, really. Right. Come on then, you're going to be late. I need to
know.
take them with me.
Bye, sweetheart.
Bye, darling.
Okay, see you after 14 hours.
I know, I've got a long day ahead of me.
Tingnan niyo. It's so frosty. Yan, nag-glitter-glitter sila dahil sa frost. Thank you, Han, for starting my car. Okay, bye! I'm following John. Tingnan niyo yung little car ko. Ano kayang temperature? 0 degrees yung temperature. Tanggalin ko muna tong jacket ko. Ang ingay nitong heater, uy. So, after this, I am off for 2 days now.
One eternity later.
My car is very frosty. Oh dear. She's spraying. Thank you, Leslie. So, at the moment, kung naririnig niyo ako, nandito pa din ako sa car park namin kasi I am waiting my car for it to defrost kasi sobrang thick ng frost. Hindi ko talaga makita yung daan dahil sa frost. Tingnan nyo. Papakita ko sa inyo, ha. See? Yan, frost yan. I cannot drive like this kasi madilim at pag ganito Hindi talaga masyadong kita, no? I'm here. Ooh. Tingnan niyo yan. It's glittering because of frost. Yes! It is freezing, very freezing. It's -1 degree. Oh, hello!
Oh.
The next day.
Hello! So, nandito na ako sa bahay. Actually, kanina pa ako kasi yung oras dito, 2:15 na ng hapon. So, anyway, pupunta tayo sa fuel station at the usual, isasama ko si Jan. So, I hope lang talaga si Mr. Hindi na naman yan kasi last time na nag-fuel kami, nako si Mr. He makes me nervous kasi he will not close his mouth. Mister, come on now! So, I will be very honest sa inyo. Hindi pa ako nakapag-fuel na hindi kasama si Jan. Never pa talaga ako nakapag-fuel na ako lang mag-isa. Natatakot kasi ako eh. I'm just scared. I don't know why. I have to learn, isn't it? I really have to be brave. Ano pang ginagawa ni Mr.? Umuulan na naman sa labas ay ito oh. Umuulan. Hindi siya malakas pero umuulan pa din oy. Yeah, sobrang wet sa labas.
Yes, darling.
What taking so long? Here he is. Right. Am I driving or you're driving?
You're driving now. You okay?
Are we gonna have an agreement that you will not be...
I don't do such things.
Please be quiet, Han. It makes me nervous when you are so noisy.
Slowly.
You need to be
Slowly.
quiet, please.
You need to go slowly.
Just be quiet, Han. It makes me nervous.
Take your time now.
Be quiet. That's agreement.
Oh, you too.
I don't want to hear anything.
What I was going to say is...
What?
Oh, you can ask him later, can't you? Back there.
Oh, yeah. So, before tayo aalis, before we're going out to get the fuel, we're looking for our holiday for next year. And we are planning to go to Coron, El Nido, and Puerto Princesa. So, basically, we're going around Palawan. But then, we are very unsure what to do, where to stay.
Which is good hotels.
Yeah.
Sensible hotels within striking distance of everywhere. You know, not too crazy money, really.
Yeah,
So if anybody's got any advice, suggestions or whatever, please leave it in the comment section, and then we can go online and have a look. We would really appreciate it if you could do that. I don't know what it is. It's funny. We've been to lots of other places. We never seem to have much of a problem, but I just seem to be finding it hard of what's what to do there, because I don't know that much about it, to be fair. I've not studied.
I don't know.
No. You should do. It's your native country.
But unfortunately, I am not from there. So, yeah, please mga palangga, comment down below yung mga suggestion nyo, mga advices, kung saan kami pupunta, kung saan maganda bisitahin. So, please, I would really appreciate your comment. Maraming salamat in advance.
Is the bathroom window been closed? It was, wasn't it?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think.
I really don't know, hon. Yeah, it's closed.
Toilet.
Right? We're going, so please be quiet. We're going.
It might not be thunder you hear, you might have my knees knocking.
Stop it, hon.
What's all this? Who's been in here with his big feet? Who's been here with big feet?
You!
They're not mine. Mine are not that big. Oh, nowhere. No.
Don't be jealous.
Me
Don't
jealous?
be jealous, monkey.
I'm not jealous. Look, there she is.
Gonna put my phone as well.
Why?
Why not? So I can see everything what's going on.
So can I.
Oh, John is not. I'm just hitting my camera. You're only half. There you go.
Who's that?
Right.
You've not been dusting your car, have you, darling? Look here.
Honey.
Needs a good dust. Stop it. She's such a big person, it's unbelievable.
Yeah.
What was
It's
that beep?
beeping now because there's no gas.
Well, if there's no gas, how's the engine running? If there's no gas. You got your card?
Yeah, see? The fuel
Oh, there's a lot of
sign
Are
is
we-
on. Right, we're going.
We're going. So, hopefully, we'll have some ideas in the next few days. If you guys can send us your comments on for our trip, we'd really appreciate it. Okay, darling, off you go quickly. Remind the cyclist, she's flashing. Not flashing very well, it's a bit inconsistent as a flasher. I'm not going to say anything about her driving. I'm not in a rush, darling.
Honey!
No, I'm just saying, we're not in a rush.
No, we're not in a rush.
Yeah. How many miles per hour are we going?
50. Under 50.
I don't even do that at my maximum speed.
Oh, what?
My maximum speed. I don't even go so fast.
Don't give me that.
I wondered the other day how you managed to be talking and then suddenly see me in front of me truck and you just pressed the, didn't you? So it went on to... Just you're so big.
Look at him.
Well, concentrate on the road, not the camera. This is our dash cam facing the wrong way. Keep moving. Because if there'd been another car behind you, wouldn't be able to pull in. You just keep going to the... Wouldn't if you just gone slow then you'd have just glided and wouldn't physically have to stop. I did explain this to you a few years ago. No, do you not remember? You know, your training should come into force when certain things happen. That's what they say. Let the training take over. Not in this case. Many cars. Not one of them curved, did they?
No, it's not really big. It's little car, you see. So it matters. But you know, having a good manner really matters. We're here.
Here's your payment machine.
What payment machine?
What's that? Shoe. Something hard to get out.
At least si Mr. He is quiet this time. Kasi kung naalala nyo or kung napanood nyo yung nag-drive kaming dalawa na magpapagas din kami. Naku, si Mr. I know he just want me to be careful, but then sabi ko sa kanya na please be quiet kasi it makes me nervous. Finished? Put that in there. Put that in my bag. We're going
Yum.
home. Thank you, man.
Right. Take it down now.
Yes?
I'm saying nothing. What's this? What's this? So you can just dash out.
Okay. Still 30 here. Yeah.
Why are you speeding?
No, I'm not speeding.
No.
No, I'm bang on 30 now.
You don't need to go faster because it's a very sharp, dangerous corner.
I know.
It's 20 already.
Stop it.
She's now speeding. She's doing 85.
No, don't say that, honey. Oy, I'm not. People saying that I'm a fast driver. No, I'm just doing.
I think you're very fast driver. Hey, keep both hands on the steering. Concentrate.
You're right.
Yeah. 20 years older.
Don't give me that.
No, I'm joking. The eagles have landed.
The eagles have landed.
Don't, right, turn that back on and switch them off. Because if it freezes and the ignition gets switched on and it's stuck on the thing, it would blow the fuse of your wipers.
We're here. I'm so proud of you for not being noisy today.
Cool. Need a rest.
You need a rest. I need to marinate the pork because John,
Then you need a rest.
for the tea time, John will having pork chops and I'm having sibas. Ito siya. Yan. Nakita niyo naman kagabi nung nag-haul ako. Yan. I hope magustuhan ko yung sibas. Alright, so magluluto tayo ng kanin. Excited ako sa hapunan ko kasi matagal na din akong hindi nakakain ng pritong isda. Matagal-tagal na talaga. Namimiss ko pa. So, yung oras dito is mag 3 minutes to ay tabingi siya 3 minutes to 4 o'clock. Yan. The usual, kilala nyo na ako, hindi ko mini-measure. Sabi nila, paano mo mini-measure yung tubig? Hindi mo mini-measure yung bigas? Tansya-tansya lang talaga. Natutunan ko to sa mama ko sa probinsya. Ganun kami sa probinsya. Tinuturuan kami kung paano mag-survive. Totoo naman talaga. Mga 7 years old pa siguro ako, marunong na ako magsaing. Hindi perfect yung pagkasaing, pero at least alam ko na kung ano yung gagawin ko. Ang sabi ng mama ko, ano yung gagawin mo pag wala kami? Yun yung palagi niyang sinasabi sa akin. Mga kapatid ko, palagi niyang pinaalala na dapat marunong ka talagang magsaing. Yan yung importante. This is John's tea. Enjoy, mister. Be careful, the plate is warm.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm frying my sea bass. So, ito yung akin mga palangga. So, ito yung isda na pinirito ko. Meron akong red bell pepper, corned beef, and itlog. Sausawan ko para sa isda. And of course, rice. Tinikman ko lang yung pork ni Jan. So, yeah. Kain mga palangga. Sige, bye!